Hey babes, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this simple half up, half down hairstyle with clip-ins. The clip-ins are optional. I just wanted to, give it that little extra oomph or whatever. So in between me trying out products, these are my go-to products. So I'm using the G keratin spray, the Crece Pelo leave-in, and my Wetline Extreme gel. So I'm taking my favorite smoothing brush from Conair to smooth out my hair, pre-prepping it before I section it off. And then you can use a fine-tooth comb to make this line perfect, because when I turned around, I was like, whoops, it's not even. So yeah, use a fine-tooth comb, but I didn't find it necessary. This is normally what I do anyway. I don't really use a fine-tooth comb to do the half up, half down. Half up, half down. So I keep smoothing until it's smooth enough to my liking, and then I put it in a ponytail. I still end up with a waviness still on the top of my head. So yeah, it doesn't get that straight, but yeah, try to smooth your hair as much as possible. I like to take a little bit more gel before I put in the clip-in extensions. And I only used 3 wefts for this look. I'm using the Bebonia Spiral 22-inch curly clip-ins. The sizes that I used are, I believe, the 5-inch ones. I used 2 of the 5-inch ones, and then the smallest piece that comes with the 7-piece set is what I used on the top section, just because I didn't want that last piece to be sticking out on the sides or it be too long. I add a little bit more gel to finish it off, and then I do my baby hairs, and then I just let my hair air dry naturally for this look. When I want to elongate my curls, I try not to scrunch too much and just let my curls be. My baby hair game has been slacking, so this is the best that I come up with for this look. That's the end of my video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!